Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add sound to Discord soundboard on mobile. So first of all, open your Discord apps. Click on to profile icon. Tap on to setting icon. But not showing here to this option. So go to your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser. Go to search option, type here to discord.com. So first of all, enable your phone to desktop site. Now I'm already enabled the desktop site. Then click on open Discord in your browser and log in your Discord. And now shown here to this feature, simply click onto your server. Tap on this arrow icon. Choose the third option, server setting. And now shown here to the soundboard option, simply click on. Upload sound. So first of all, select a file from your gallery, click on to browser, and shown here to the sound name option, you can simply add your name. Choose your emoji. And then finally click on to upload. Then successfully add sound to Discord soundboard on mobile. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.